Good morning. Welcome to the Morning Shift with Ann. What's up? I hope you are well today. I always want to try to do it differently. Welcome to the Morning Shift with Ann. What's up? We're here today at the bookshelf. Sorry. That's how I would be in a storm reporter, right? Welcome to the Morning Shift. Yeah, we're here in the middle of the storm. Ladies and gentlemen, winds are blowing 400 miles an hour, and I'm standing in the middle of a street under a transformer. I'm sorry. Sometimes I just get loud. Today, we're going to talk about small steps equaling big results. Small steps equaling big results. I think the best way to accomplish things is through taking small steps each day. Here's a little quote for you. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated. Darn, I hate it when I do that. Let me start over. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. So you just got to take those little steps over and over and over again. Because if you're going on a hike, you don't want to look at that giant mountain and think, oh, there ain't no way. I mean, that's what usually happens. You look at that giant task and think, I can't do that. And then you end up binge watching Stranger Things for 5 hours. Or you just go take a nap. But really, if you just chunk it down to smaller things, smaller steps, and plan them out, make a plan, because that helps you to have a goal instead of just a wish, dreaming about stuff, and chunk it into smaller things that you can do and check off of a list. So with the hiking analogy, you look at the mountain and you think, okay, I can't even fathom that. But you can think, I can climb this little hill right here, and that's going to get me this far up. And then once you get to there, then you think, okay, now I'm going to take this next leg of the journey, right? So like if you're driving from LA to New York, you're not thinking, okay, I'm thinking about New York, I'm going to drive on straight through. No, you have to map out the journey and take it in chunks. You know, you do this day, you go from here to here. The next day, you go from here to there. The next day you get to Chicago, the next day you get to New York. So, you know, it's better to do it that way because you can get overwhelmed, right? Because some things are just big goals. You want to have big goals, big dreams and goals. But in order to accomplish them, it's about the small things that you do each day towards your goals. Action steps that you take to accomplish your goals. You can plan, but you got to take some steps. You got to start walking, right? You got to start taking the hike. You can't just say, well, okay, I'm mapping out my hike. Here's my hike. That's going to be a good hike. And then go binge watch Stranger Things. No, you need to strap on your shoes. There's the step number one. Little thing, strap on my shoes. You know, get in shape. I'm going to work out half an hour a day for the next week. Then the next week I'm going to work out an hour a day. And then I'm going to start taking short hikes. And then I'm going to make my goal of climbing, you know, Mount Kilimanjaro or whatever. So, success is the sum of small things done day in and day out repeatedly. So, I suggest that you take your goal and chunk it down into smaller things and start ticking them off your list. Small steps. Take some small steps today towards your goal. Because small steps every day, in repetition, be persistent, will equal big results, and you're going to get what you want. You're going to get that goal. You're going to make it to the top of the mountain. Yeah. So, what do you think about that? Do you have anything? Do you have a mountain that you're climbing? How are you accomplishing it? What are the small steps that you're doing? Make some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get a notification when I make a new video. I don't do them that often, so I won't drive you crazy. If this is on Facebook, please make some comments on Facebook. Share it with your friends. I appreciate it so much. It helps me to get seen by other people, and I hope this helps you and gives you a little chuckle, makes you have a happier morning, and I'll see you next time on The Morning Shift. Take care.